Experiments that people can try. And so one of them, this is one I haven't posted online yet, is going to be inflating a balloon with a chemical reaction just using a plastic bottle. So really any size plastic bottle is going to work just fine. For this you'll need baking soda and some vinegar. A few more things to keep in mind is since we're going to be inflating a balloon, you want to make sure that you have at least one balloon per bottle ready to go. And with this, you want to make sure you have a funnel ready to go too. So that way you can fill up the balloon with less of a mess with some of the baking soda. So you can kind of play around with the measurements that you want. Let's grab about 1/4 to 1/3 of a cup of baking soda. We're just going to fill that up. Oops, already starting to make a little bit of a mess on the counter. So just a heads up.
Yeah, good luck.
Can be a little messy, but the goal is to contain the mess within the bottle. Once you have that, you just put it in the funnel. And the funnel is going to help you actually get that baking soda inside of the balloon. So again, you can kind of play with the ratio, and you might want to use maybe that 1/3 to 1/4 of a cup as a constant. And then you can change the variables. Next thing you do is you can measure out the vinegar, use about 1/3 of a cup of vinegar, or what I've kind of been doing is filling up the water bottle, maybe about 1/3 of the way. So I'll show you with both the big water bottle and the smaller water bottle, kind of the reaction that you can get from these. So the big thing to notice with this is that we're talking about an acid versus a base. So the acetic acid, the vinegar, is going to be what we start off with, and our base is going to be the vinegar. And we're going to see what kind of reaction we can get from combining both of those. So I kind of cheated and filled up one of them before. We'll use this one on the smaller guy.
Smart.
Yes. So what we're going to be talking about is the difference between a physical versus a chemical reaction. So a physical reaction would be if we were to put food dye into the bottle of vinegar. It still has the same chemical properties, but it just looks a little bit different. Now, a chemical reaction is when you combine two things and get something else completely different from it. So in order to make sure that we are getting that full reaction, you want to make sure that you seal off the bottle completely, lift up the balloon, woo, and watch it inflate all by itself. So the chemical reaction that we're talking about happening with this is the new things that we get from this. First of all, look at the bubbles.
I like
the
that.
bubbles that you're getting from this is CO2 gas or carbon dioxide gas. And since we have the bottle completely closing off any place for the gas to go, it works its way through that entrance or exit from the bottle right up into the balloon. So with the carbon dioxide gas, once that escapes, the two other things we're left behind with, you'll see it kind of still left behind in the bottle. Once the bubbles clear up from the carbon dioxide, you're left behind basically with salt and water. So all of these not dangerous things and things that you experience every single day. And the carbon dioxide gas, it is a greenhouse gas and a big part of both the carbon cycle as well as the water cycle. So it's something that we see every day, even with plants. Plants kind of take in the carbon dioxide like we take in oxygen, and they breathe that out for us. So carbon dioxide, again, nothing dangerous, and it's something that we can use by those chemical reactions, even to pop off the balloon and have it self-inflated for us.
And you know what, in reality, it's not as messy as some other science experiments could be.
This is true. This is something where you can just take a paper towel and wipe it up a little bit, but heads up, it can be a little bit messy. I've got a little bit of some vinegar on the table.
And something even I could handle, which is, good.
And even on our website too, I have 2 more ingredients, or 2 more ways that you can kind of use these things to even create rainbow foam. So you can find those on NBC4i.com.
I like the way that sounds, Liz. Thank you so much, our resident scientist.